Some Nigerian celebrities like keeping their marital status or partners out of public eye due to controversies or other personal reasons. So today, I'll be talking about Nigerian celebrities you never knew are couples. For those of you I haven't met yet, my name is Ejimozi, and on this channel, I make top 10 videos about Nigerian celebrities. I have a lot of content that will give you info about your favorite Nigerian celebrity. Just click on my channel name, then videos for more of my content. And if you are new, click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah, nah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side, never leave you lonely.
Abiodun Thomas and Yewande Adekoya. Yewande can be proud to say that she got married to her best friend actor Abiodun Thomas, and they have been able to manage their home for more than 6 years now and still counting. When you see how they act, you might think that their marriage was arranged by their family members. But no, Thomas actually toasted Yewande. In fact, they dated for completely 5 years until 2013 when they got married. According to Thomas, in an interview when he was asked how he met his wife, he said that he met his wife in March 2008, that he went to see a friend in a hospital and she went to visit the same person. They got talking and he liked her personality. Unfortunately, he lost her contact along the line, but a few months later, she returned to Ibadan for her youth service and he reconnected with her. He was quite fascinated by the way she talked and comported herself when they met. From that point, every other thing fell into place. The beautiful couple are blessed with lovely children. Ngozi and Zach Orji. Nollywood actor Zach Orji is married to Ngozi Orji and has 3 children. The couple have been together for 2 decades and they met when Ngozi Orji was still a student at Institute of Management and Technology IMT Enugu. In the 90s, they co-starred in the movie Deadly Passion, with Ngozi playing the role of Zach Orji's side chick in the movie. Prior to meeting his wife, Zach Orji has a long list of qualities that he was looking from his potential wife. According to the actor, he wanted a woman like his mother, a beauty to behold, and a woman he was older than by age. Orji also wanted someone from his hometown. After his youth service, he met Ngozi, who was still a student, and also an actress then, and she possesses all the requirements. He got to know her better as they dated for 3 years before they eventually got married. Rafiu and Fausat Balogun. Rafiu and Fausat Balogun met in the industry before they got married. Fausat, who is popularly known as Madam Saje, is one of the popular faces in Yoruba movies. Rafiu, who is an actor, scriptwriter and movie producer, was Fausat's boss before they got married. Their eldest son is a director and their youngest daughter is an actress. Eniola Afeez and Esther Kalejaye. As destiny has it, Eniola Afeez met his beautiful wife after rolling for some time and the duo decided to get married. The couples are both actors and have had quite a huge record of appearance in different movie scenes. Afeez Eniola is a popular movie director, actor and scriptwriter in Yoruba movie industry. Esther is known by her fans as Omojoyibo, a name she got from the movie Omogeto, produced by Funke Akindele. Afeez and Esther have together welcomed a boy and a girl, but they are hardly seen together. The striking resemblance between Esther and her daughter is remarkable. This pair are one prominent pairs in Yoruba movies because aside from taking characters in movies, they also work behind the cameras. While Afeez works as a location manager or continuity manager, Esther works as costumier on movie sets. Lukman Raji and Bukola Adekogbe. The couple on the list is Yoruba actor Lukman Raji, known as King of Swagger, and popular actress Bukola Adekogbe, popularly known as Aminatu Papapa. The couple have good interpretation of their roles, especially as stouts. Without being told, one can hardly know their husband and wife with kids. Gloria and Norbert Young. Nollywood icon Norbert Young met his actress wife Gloria on set and they have been married for 10 years with children. Gloria was one of the few actresses who had done the screen in the 90s. Her colleague accused her of snatching away her husband from her and went all out to discredit the marriage. But despite the criticism, Gloria and her husband have moved on, enjoying the best that marriage life can offer to them. Their marriage, which has produced 3 kids, was initially tried by criticism, but today the union has stood the test of time. Sunday and Toyin Adewale. Sunday and Toyin Adewale are the parents of popular Nigerian singer Mayor Kun. Toyin started her acting career in 1988 when she was still a student. She met her husband Sunday the same year. The couple met at Rimas Institute, Ojokoro in Lagos State, where they both studied dramatic art. Sunday Adewale is an actor, screenwriter, and movie director. The couple got married in 1993 and they are still together. They renewed their vow in 2013 on their 20th anniversary. Adeola and Kudrat Shoromi. Adeola and Kudrat Shoromi are known for their comedy roles in the Yoruba movies. Adeola is popularly known as Princess Lanko and Omoba Dubai, while Kudrat is known as No Network. Both of them are known for their hilarious roles in movies, especially when they paired together. Though these two are said to have met outside Nollywood, but they have become one hilarious pair in several Yoruba movies, and then you will hardly know their couples. Olu Jacob and Joke Seva. The Nigerian actor Olu Jacob met his wife Joke Seva, who is a Nigerian actress, in 1981 at National Theatre, Lagos during the 21st Independent Anniversary. In 1999, the duo starred in Curse of Beyond as husband and wife, a couple trying to solve their daughter's spiritual problem. When asked why his wife still bears her maiden name, Olu Jacob answered saying, "She is her own individual. When I met her, she was an actress known as Joke Seva, so why should marrying her now deny her and her audience her name? She's Miss Joke Seva, who is Mrs. Joke Jacobs. It is as simple as that." People now begin to say what they like. They have even written that we are separated and sort of stuff. When she's working, she's Joke Seva, but she's Mrs. Joke Jacobs at home. The couple have been married for over 30 years without no public drama. Joke Seva is the director of studies at the Lufodo Academy of Directing Arts, while her husband Olu Jacob chairs the school. Lufodo Academy is one of the great assets that the couple owns as part of the Lufodo Group, including Lufodo Productions, Lufodo Consult, and Lufodo Distribution, and many more. Joke Seva has created for the Bank of Industry (BOI) in theatre, film, documentary, and poetry at the 2012 London Olympics. And she's also the perennial managing director of the Mallet Film Village, in association with Kwara State University. Florence and Ike Okechukwu. Have you ever wondered how an actor and actress could play a love role in a movie as if it's a real life something? That is the case of Florence and Ike Okechukwu in the movie titled Tencel. In fact, they are the first Tencel wedding which took place between Ike, who played the role of Chuks Obi, and Florence, who played the role of Ene. Ike and Florence met on the set of Tencel, fell in love, got married in April 2013, and have gone to form a beautiful family. They are pictured above with their two beautiful kids, Ihoma and Ike Jr. Simi and Adekunle Gold. For those of you who don't know, Simi and Adekunle Gold are couples. These two got married a year ago in what can be described as one of the most private celebrity weddings in modern time. It was attended by close friends and family members of the couple. Despite all that was seen, said, or suggested, there was never a certain confirmation of ongoing relationship between the both of them. Neither was there a denial, although the singers, who never made their relationship public, were believed to be long-time friends. Even though some people had their suspicions at the nature of their relationship, it still came as a surprise to many when the photo from their wedding ceremony hit the internet. The wedding ceremony took place at the Ilashe Beach in Lagos. Unlike the traditional wedding, which had a larger turnout, the white wedding was attended by selected guests. The beach wedding didn't come as a surprise to many, as Adekunle Gold has once in an interview revealed that he would like to tie the knot at the beach. The clip of the interview surfaced when it became a public knowledge that Adekunle Gold and Simi are now couples.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. You're my man. You're my man.
Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these celebrity couples is your favorite? For those of you I haven't met yet, my name is Ejimozi, and on this channel I make top 10 videos about Nigerian celebrities. I have a lot of content that will give you info about your favorite Nigerian celebrity. Just click on my channel name, then videos for more of my content. And if you are new, click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Ejimozi.